So this one is a very easy topic about vertical angles, and I already mentioned this doon sa mga previous discussions natin last quarter. Vertical angles, ano nga ba itsura nun? Ayan. Um, it's composed of two intersecting lines. Ano tayo? S- Um, oops, yeah. Mali, sorry. Nahilo kayo wait. Kasi dapat ano eh. Ayan. Um, yan. Composed of Asia. Teka lang. Composed of two intersecting lines. Two intersecting lines. Kahit anong itsura pa ng intersecting lines ninyo. Ayan. Di ba kapag na-intersect yung dalawang linya, let's say this is line L and this is line M. If line L intersects at with line M, or line L and M are intersecting lines, makaka-create tayo ng how many angles? There are 4 angles. Okay? So, ito, pangalanan natin. This is angle 1. This is, wait, this is angle 2. This is angle 3. And this is angle 4. Yan. Ano nga ba ano ang vertical angles dito? Angle 1 and angle 3, yung magkatapat, are vertical angles. So, ito, magkatapat. Angle 1, this angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. So, ano pa yung magkapares na vertical angles? Yung angle 2 and angle 4. Hindi pwedeng maging angle 1 and angle 4 kasi pag sinabi natin yung vertical angle, yung opposite niya, opposite angle. So, angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical angles. Yung 1 and 4, they form a linear pair. So, supplementary angles yan. Yung 1 and 2, ganun din. So, they form a linear pair. Therefore, 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. Yung 3 and 4, ganun din. Tapos 2 and 3. But, we are focusing on vertical angles lang. So, yan. Ano po yung masasabi natin sa vertical angles? Meron tayong tinatawag, merong theorem ba? Theorem or postulate that stating that vertical angles are congruent. Natatandaan, vertical angles are congruent. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, this angle here, angle 1, is congruent to angle 3. While angle 2 is congruent to angle 4. Kung ano man ang sukat ng angle 1, sabihin natin ang sukat nito ay 50. Anong sukat ng angle 3? 50 degrees din. Okay? Ano kaya ang sukat ng angle 2 and angle 4? Since this is a linear pair, yung 1 and 2 is a linear pair, ibig sabihin, yung sum of this angle is 180 degrees. So, 180 minus 50 will give us 130 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, itong angle nito is 130 as well as angle 4. Okay, so, that's how you get the measure of the angles kapag merong two intersecting lines. Okay? Give another example. So, mag-draw ulit tayo ng vertical intersecting lines. Ayan. Okay. Pangan natin ang 7. This is 8. And this is 9. This is 10. Okay. Can you give me the congruent angles? So, ano kaya magka-congruent yan? Okay, very good. So angle 7 is congruent to angle 8 because they are vertical angles. So these angles here. And of course, yung isang pang pair ay angle 9 and angle 10. So angle 9 is congruent to angle 10. I will give the measure of, ayan, sige, madali lang para na tayo mag-isip ng sobra. Let's say this angle. So measure of angle 9 is 120 degrees. Pwede ko na bang makuha yung measure ng angle 7, 10, and 8? Oo, pwede. Kayang-kaya na nating makuha yan. Kahit isa lang yung binigay na measurement. Paano? Since the measure of angle 9 is 120, and I know, or we know, that angle 9 is congruent to angle 10, pwede nating masabi that angle 9 is equal to angle 10. So, therefore, angle 10 measures 120 degrees also. Okay? Yan. So, this is 120. Ngayon, paano ko makukuha yung sukat ng angle 7 and angle 8? Notice that angle 7 and angle 10, angle 7 and angle 10 forms a linear, form a linear pair. Eh, ano ba yung conditions kapag linear pair? Diba? They have a common endpoint, common ray, they are adjacent, and supplementary. So, since they form a linear pair, supplementary sila. Anong mangyayari? Yung sum ng angle 7 and angle 10 will be equal to 180 degrees. Since measure of angle 10 is 120, ano yung pwede nating i-add sa 120 to get sum of 180? So, that's 60 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, angle 7 is 60 degrees. Or, pwede namang ganitong paraan. 180 minus 120, it will give us 60 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle 7 is 60 degrees. Alam natin that congruent si angle 7 to angle 8, pwede nating masabi na angle 7 is equal to angle 8. So, ibig sabihin, angle 8 is also 60 degrees. Okay, so that's how you do vertical angles. Very easy addition and subtraction lang naman yan. Okay? So, ayan lang. Thank you.